Hello my dear students. Today we are going to discuss null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Okay, coming towards the null hypothesis, a hypothesis that says that there is no effect, there is no difference and no relationship between the variables. So that type of hypothesis in which there is no relationship between the variables. Hypothesis of no difference is known as null hypothesis, and variables have been discussed in previous lectures. Okay, example of null hypothesis is for example, the new drug has no effect on blood pressure. For example, you are going to check the effect of new drug to lower the blood pressure, and in that scenario the null hypothesis will be the new drug has no effect on blood pressure. So if you look at the sentence, new drug, one variable, blood pressure, another variable, but there is no effect, no relationship between these two variables. So such type of hypothesis will be known as null hypothesis. Okay, now coming towards the alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is what you are trying to prove. For example, using the same drug example, the alternative hypothesis would be the new drug does lower blood pressure. Yes, again there are two variables. For example, blood pressure is one variable, new drug is another variable, but it decreases the blood pressure. The new drug decreases blood pressure. So there is some relationship between these two variables. So such type of hypothesis is known as alternative hypothesis. And the further procedure how to test the hypothesis will be discussed in the coming lectures. Okay.